Who's your biggest competitor? For most salespeople, the names just roll off the tip of their tongues. But there's a competitor that's even tougher. Ah, the status quo, you're thinking. No, there's even one even more formidable. And that's every salesperson that's calling the same person you are trying to get a discovery meeting. It's the competition for FaceTime. No, not the Apple technology. It's the ability to get someone's attention so that they want to meet with you instead of all the other salespeople that are calling them, pitching their wares. Hi, I'm Salz, author of the new groundbreaking book, Sales Differentiation. I'm going to be speaking at SME, Minnesota on October 19th, talking sales differentiation, teaching you how to win more deals at the prices you want. Join me.